Hey parents and students, this is Miss Galloway. I'm going to go over some of the sites that you can use here on Symbaloo. The first one I'm going to start with today is typing.com. Typing.com is for students to practice their keyboarding skills. They are used to coming into my classroom and logging in with Google, so they'll use their student Google accounts. Click here. If they're logged into Google, it'll take them right to their account. They will click Resume to continue with their lessons. Some students lately have been finishing the beginner lessons so they can move on to the intermediate. Once they finish those lessons, click on to advanced. There's some other activities too. There's tech readiness. They can practice some coding activities. So there's a lot to keep them busy on this site. In addition, they can go up and take a time test, check out their progress, see how fast they can type in a minute. They can play games. Okay, there are games that are more appropriate for certain grade levels. A lot of kids really like Nitro type. Make sure when you're playing games you can adjust the level. Let me show you. Depending on your student's skill level, you might want to click to the easy words. You can adjust to easy words too, so easy level, easy words. That will help with frustration levels for your students. So that's typing.com. All 1st through 5th graders have typing.com accounts.